Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use json dumps method and json loads method in Python. We are going to write a short program that stores a set of numbers and another program that read these numbers back into memory. Our first program will use json.dumps method to store the set of numbers, and the second program will use json.loads method. The json.dumps function takes one argument, a piece of data that should be converted to the JSON format. The function returns a string which we can then write to a data file. So let's see. So we are going to add from path lib import path, and then we are going to import JSON module. Then we are going to create a list of numbers to work with. Just random numbers. Then we are going to choose a file name in which to store the list of numbers. Let's do, get the path. Out.json. And we are using here .json extension. JSON extension indicates that the data in this file is stored in the JSON format. Now we are going to use the JSON's dump function to generate a string containing the JSON representation of the data we are working with. We are going to call, here is our contents, by calling json.dumps, and we are going to pass in our numbers and we get the string back. We write this string using write text method. So you want dot write text, and then will be contents. And now run our code. So we done our running our code. This program has no output. The data is stored in our file. So I'm just gonna do ls on Linux, and this is out.json, and I'm just gonna use more command on that, out.json, so we can see the content of our file. Now we are going to write a separate program that use json.loads to read the list back into the memory. So let's from path lib import back, and we are going to import JSON module, and then we are going to have a path, same file name, and we are going to read the contents by using path dot read text. So we need to read from the same file we wrote to. So our data file is just a text file. We can read with the read text function, the method we have. Then we get the contents back, and we need to pass this content to json.loads. This function takes in a JSON format string and returns a Python object. In our case, is a list, which we can assign to a variable. And finally, we are going to print the recover list of numbers. So let's see. Mm, json.loads, and we're going to pass in contents, and we get our number list back, and then we are going to print that. So after we run the program, we print the recover list of numbers, and it is the same list that was created in our other program. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.